This Thanksgrilling series, it's going to be huge.
You can't miss out on this.
Not this one.
Shoot, yeah, those Kingsford Pellets provide the best flavor.
Oh, yeah.
Let's get it started. How's it going, holiday friends? I'm Chef John, and today I'm going to be making a little treat for the kids for the holidays. This is an easy recipe that is fun for the whole family to enjoy. That's right, we're doing Stuffin Muffins. I'm going to be cooking those on the RTB 380. I have it set to 450 degrees, and I'm going to be burning the Kingsford signature pellets for that bold, sweet, balanced flavor that you've come to know and love from Kingsford. All right, let's get started. All right, so we're going to go ahead and start our eggs. We're going to crack all of our eggs in here. Like I said, we have 12 eggs. We're cracking them, ensuring that no shell gets in there, because nobody wants any shell in their stuffing muffins. That's rule one. So for every cup of dressing, you're going to want to use 3 eggs. That's a little chef tip for you. All right, so now we're going to bust those yolks up. Ba, 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 ba. Bust them up. We're going to give them a quick whisk. That way we know all the eggs well incorporated. That's right. Beat it like it stole something from you. All right, now that we got all the egg well incorporated, we're going to go ahead and take our stuffing. We're going to drop it straight in. Yeah, just like that. Now we're going to bust it up and incorporate it into all this egg. This is a great recipe to do with kids. One, because it's a great way to get your kids to eat their stuffing. And two, it's so easy. It's fun for the whole family. All right, once we have our eggs well incorporated, I'm going to go ahead and throw some of that Colden's Freakin Greek in here. We're going to go ahead and put it on riot mode, flip that top up. Put about 2 tablespoons. All right, we're going to mix one more time. Making sure that we get all of that Colden's incorporated very well. All right. All right, this stuffing is about ready to turn into some muffins. So we're going to take our muffin tin. You can see I have some holiday liners in my muffin tin. And we're just going to go ahead and take some spoonfuls and spoon it straight in. Okay, we're going to fill the muffin tins to the top. Guys, what's your favorite thing to put in a muffin tin? I would love to know. Put it in the comment section. Now that we have our stuffing muffins filled to the top of our muffin pan, they are looking delicious. We're going to run these out to the RTB 380. I have it set at 450 degrees. And we're just going to slide these bad boys on and let them do their thing. Come on, let's go. What's going on, holiday fam? These stuffing muffins came out delicious. Look at the GBD, golden brown deliciousness that you've come to know and expect from recteq, and those Kingsford signature pellets bringing us home with that bold flavor. Man, these things look good. All right, so we're just going to pop them right out. Happy holidays. We got some holidays are ringing. Happy holidays to you. All right. Man, this is a great recipe to do with the whole household. So much fun, so easy. Make this your next holiday stuffing muffin recipe. I'm ready to dig into these muffins. I'm not going to lie to you. Oh man. Savory. Delicious, smoky. This is a win for the good guys. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to recteq and Kingsford's YouTube channel for awesome content like this and so much more. I'm Chef John, wishing you guys a happy holidays, and we'll see you at the recteq.